how to get a prepaid Western Union card. Once you load up the app, then in the bottom right corner you should see prepaid card. Once we click on this option, it's going to take you to the Western Union website, and in order to claim your card you will need to type your email address here in the field. So I'm just going to do that, and you will need to also agree with the terms and conditions, and you will press I want a card. Now once you click on that option, then it's going to ask for verification, so I'm just going to verify my info here. Okay, so once you have logged into your account, then you will need to fill out your personal details such as your phone number, and then you will need to click on send code, and you will receive a message on your phone, and you will need to fill it out in the field that appears. You will also need to set your birthday here from the list, so make sure you fill out your birthday. Once you have filled this out, you will be taken to the second step, which is going to be setting a PIN number for your card, a 4-digit PIN number, so you can type whatever you want so you keep your card safe. And then the last option is going to be adding money, so you will select the amount which you want to add to your card, and after you have authenticated the request, then you will receive your card on the address which you have given on your account. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.